Martha Stewart, who is sharing your own personal fountain of youth. Now, I got to say, I'm just going to say it because I've heard this true, and your team said it was okay to mention it. You have never had plastic surgery.
No.
Isn't that unbelievable?
No. Why?
No, because you look like nothing's happened. You look like those modeling pictures over there.
There's probably a portrait in the closet changing somewhere.
Exactly.
The Dorian Gray. No, I haven't had plastic surgery, although I've visited with plastic surgeons and gotten consultations. Yeah. And they shine that big light right here, which makes everyone look hideous.
Yes.
And then you see what's really wrong with you. And I just amble out and do more face exercises.
Well, you're going to sure. That's one of the little tips you have, by the way. So all these anti-aging secrets that you swear by, again, they fill the book. I'd like to cover the ones that describe your daily routine, if that's okay.
Sure.
All right. So to feel young, you start your day off with?
Lemon water. Lemon water, which I love. And so just take a lemon. I would notice I go like this with the lemon first to get the most juice out of it.
I thought you were nervous, but you weren't.
No, I'm softening the lemon itself. It gets it juicier. And then, no nervous ticks. No nervous. And then put this in your squeezer. This is a very handy squeezer. And as long as you can do this, you're strong and vital. If you can squeeze a lemon in a squeezer like this, because it's not so easy.
No, it actually is a test we used to. Oh.
It extracts
first
a lot of juice.
You called me a dog first, and you put the lemon juice all over me. Oh God!
But it's so good for you. Here, so nice warm water.
Now, this is, again, rich in antioxidants, so I can see why it might work.
It's so good for you, and it's also, I think, again, very good for your intestinal vitality.
Now, in addition to putting stuff inside your body, I understand you use vitamin E as a serum both in the morning and the afternoon for wrinkles.
I love serums. So I slather myself with vitamin E, vitamin B, whatever I can get. And this is a very inexpensive way to do it, is to buy, giant bottles of vitamin E capsules. Or vitamin B, and just puncture it. You can actually squeeze it, but if you puncture it with a few holes and a pin, and then just squeeze out all that good serum. So squeeze that out, and then rub it wherever you feel dry or need a little nutrient. I love it. I put it on my hands. Put it on my face, right here where you have little wrinkles. Dr. Oz has little wrinkles.
Oh, I love you.
See?
So why do you poke holes in these vitamin E capsules? Why don't you just get it as a serum in a store?
Because it's $90 a bottle for a little bottle.
Because it's more affordable. I love that you pay attention to that.
Yeah, of course I do. Of course I do. Here, there's a rag over here.
Okay. So these are.
I would put this all over my legs, but my legs are covered. I don't waste any of this stuff. It's even if it's expensive face cream, I slather it all over me.
Right. So these are daily endeavors. You have the hot lemon juice in the morning, and then the vitamin E.
That's so good.
Every morning. Please get some more.
Yeah, I love this.
Every morning, every evening, you put the vitamin E on your face, and I should too for my wrinkles you identified.
Yep. And then
Dr. Stewart. Now these two things are things you do once a week. I understand.
I do it every day. Like this morning before I got up, and I ran in and I put like gommage on my face, which I call egg white. Anything that's sort of like this beautiful firming mask. Then here's another nice mask too. This is a anti-aging peel. So some blueberries, raspberries, any of these wonderful berries that have a lot of antioxidants. And you just mush this up. You can do it in a little baby blender, those little baby food blenders. I love those. But you can also do it by hand. And then add some yogurt, lemon juice. Yeah, put the lemon juice in there too.
There's a lot of lemon juice. Good.
Yeah, lemon juice is so good for you. So it's so astringent.
This is going to be an exfoliant, I guess, essentially, right?
Well, basically, and you'll peel it off your face, and you can add this. It just adds the berry puree.
So this is going to knock off the dead skin cells.
It will.
And
rejuvenated,
you say.
And the seeds of the berries are the roughness that you need. Add a little bit of honey, which is also extremely good. It seals in moisture and promotes tissue growth.
What does this taste like?
It's good.
It's pretty good.
It's delicious.
We can eat the leftovers.
But here, we're going to put that on your face, too. And then just put that around here. Don't go into your eyes.
Get some close to my mouth.
Huh? You want it?
What a temptress you are.
Oh, dear. Isn't that good?
Yes, it is very good.
So then you can, but you need a nice warm cloth to just take it off. But it's excellent. And
how long do you leave it on?
Well, I leave it on for like an hour in the morning. I go back to bed. I put it on and I go back to bed.
This is going to spill all over your sheets.
I have a little towel on my pillow. Oh. I won't do this on my date.
Now you're Dave when it comes up, all right. She's created special recipes with foods known for their longevity powers, and needless to say, they are delicious. First up, a kale dip.
Yes.
How do you make it?
Very, very easy. Once you chiffonade, do you know what chiffonading is?
No.
Oh, well, it's cutting the kale into
Sounds German.
thin strips crosswise, okay? And it's French, actually.
Yes.
Francais, oui.
Chiffonade?
Chiffonade. And then, then saute it until it's just tender in a little oil. Add your cottage cheese, 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. Do you like cottage cheese?
I love cottage cheese.
I do, too.
The
I
best.
think it's very good for you.
Very
And,
good for you. It also has, by the way, good for the bones.
It is. And a tablespoon of lemon juice and a pinch, just a pinch of red hot pepper flakes. And then just pulse that.
There we are.
No, we're not.
Not very perfectionist, am I?
This way. And we'll go this way. There. And then just pulse that. And it turns a nice bright green. And this is what it looks like when it's done. And taste that. Sugar snap peas, snow peas. I think it tastes pretty tasty.
Oh, it's really good.
Right?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
And you can...
It's called the bone dip.
Yep. And you can eat that on. You can eat that also on toast. On, really nice. Now, quesadillas. Everybody loves quesadillas. So, and this is such a healthy one because, again, you're using things like mushrooms and a good cheese. You can use a low-fat cheese if you want.
This is a fontina cheese you use for this
I
one.
love fontina cheese. And just lightly oil with olive oil or safflower oil your griddle. And you can put on your mushrooms. And these are sautéed in a little bit of olive oil. Don't put raw mushrooms on there because you don't want it raw taste. Salt, pepper, and then just put this one on top and let that cook.
So you don't fold it.
No, not yet. No.
Not yet.
I do it this way. You can cut it. But here we have it folded. And here, you want to taste?
I would like to have a taste.
Yeah, taste. It's like a grilled cheese sandwich, but it's so much healthier.
Oh,
What do you think?
I love it.
Okay, good.
I love having you on the show.
I like having you. I like being here. It's so great.
Martha Stewart's new book is called Living the Good Long Life.
It's not just a recipe book for
No.
food. It's a recipe book for living.
Exactly.
Yes.
And all that wisdom comes in here. And guess what? Everyone in our studio audience is going home with a cup. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.